Welcome to Moneymaker, your go-to channel for mastering the financial markets. Today, we're breaking down the essential terms every investor must know. These fundamentals are the foundation of smart investing, helping you make informed decisions with your money. We'll cover 21 critical financial metrics from EPS and ROE to PE and PB. Our goal: empower you to analyze a company's financial health and spot real opportunities. By the end, you'll have the tools to look beyond the ticker and understand what really drives a stock. Let's dive into the core of stock market fundamentals and turn complex data into actionable insights. This is the knowledge that builds wealth. Let's get started. EPS reveals a company's profit per share, calculated as net income minus preferred dividends, divided by average outstanding shares. The PE ratio compares a company's share price to its earnings per share, market price per share divided by EPS. PB ratio measures market value versus book value, market price per share divided by book value per share. ROE shows profitability relative to shareholder equity, net income divided by shareholders' equity. ROA gauges how efficiently a company uses its assets, net income divided by total assets. DE ratio evaluates financial leverage, total liabilities divided by shareholders' equity. The current ratio measures short-term financial health, current assets divided by current liabilities. Quick ratio or acid test checks if a company can meet short-term obligations with its most liquid assets, current assets minus inventory divided by current liabilities. Free cash flow is cash generated after capital expenditures, operating cash flow minus capital expenditures. Dividend yield shows annual dividends as a percentage of stock price, annual dividend per share divided by price per share. Market cap is the total value of a company's shares' current share price times total outstanding shares. PEG ratio factors in growth, PE ratio divided by earnings per share growth rate. Operating margin reveals profit from core operations, operating income divided by revenue. Net profit margin is net income divided by revenue, showing overall profitability. Interest coverage shows how easily a company pays interest. EBIT divided by interest expense. Inventory turnover shows how often inventory is sold and replaced, cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Asset turnover measures sales generated per dollar of assets, sales divided by total assets. BVPS is equity per share, total equity minus preferred equity divided by total outstanding shares. CapEx is money spent to acquire or upgrade physical assets like property or equipment. EV measures total company value, market cap plus total debt minus cash. EBITDA compares enterprise value to earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. We've just covered 21 key terms, the playbook for smart investing. Use these tools, pick a stock, run the numbers, and see what you find. Check the PE, ROI, and debt. This is how you spot winners and avoid losers. When you know these metrics, you're investing in a business, not just a ticker. You'll see if management is efficient, if the company's profitable, and if it's fairly priced. This knowledge protects and grows your capital. The market rewards diligence. So do your homework. Subscribe to Moneymaker for more insights. You're armed with knowledge. Now go out there and make some money.